Okay, today we're going to be making guacamole, and the reason why I emphasize the A is because it has Montreal Steak Seasoning in it as an ingredient, which is originally from Canada, the recipe, and also my wife is originally from Canada. So that's the word pun on this recipe in our family. So this recipe was a shoot from the hip one day, and I got it right on the first try, and it has been outstanding for everybody that has tried it so far. Everybody wants the recipe, never a complaint, always wow. So I'm going to share it today, give it a try, and let me know what you think. So what goes into this is 3 to 5 avocados, depending on the size of them. These are 3 large, so that works. Juice of half a fresh lime, garlic powder, Montreal Steak Seasoning, onion powder. That's it. Super simple. So you can make this smooth or chunky, and you could put other things into it, onions, tomatoes, cilantro. It's totally up to you, but this is the base of it. So change it as you wish, but give this a try and tell me what you think. So first thing I'm going to do is get this out of the way. Okay, should be in right there. Typical way to do this, just cut around, which I think everybody probably knows. Around the seed, twist, and lift off. Shove that in there, and twist, and it's out. I forgot a big spoon. There we go. Last one. Oops. All right. Clean my hands a little bit. All right. Now, like I said, you can use a fork and make this chunky. I just use my immersion blender and make it smooth because that's the way I like it. I actually like it both ways, but this is just easy for me, really. And I just shot over there. That was stupid. Smash it up a little bit first. There we go. Oops. All right. Great. Got some more. All right. Garlic powder. Now, these measurements all are going to vary up or down depending on the size of the avocados. These are 3 large, so I got 1 teaspoon here. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of each of these. Onion powder and garlic powder. And on the Montreal Steak Seasoning, it's going between 1.5 and 2. Jeez, oh, it's empty. One and a half. Okay. And the lime. Juice of half a lime. Now it's just a matter of blending it up. Excuse me. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, that's dead on the money. That is good. Really good. Excellent. So, give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I really appreciate every one of you that subscribe and help my channel out. Have a good day.